Why is it important to have a organized and efficient tool room? Essentially, because time is money, and the quicker you can get tools to the machine, the faster the machine can be turned over to run a new job.
A tool room efficiency is the pinnacle of the shop. Everything evolves around the tool room. The CNC programs go through the tool room, the inventory goes through the tool room, all the operators and machinists from the shop come to the tool room. It's a flow of continuous traffic from the shop.
And having everything organized makes that far easier. Knowing what you have for inventory, for tools, for tool assemblies, just expedites the process.